Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Redmi 8A and I'm gonna show you how to change image quality in the camera app at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and as you can see we are in the standard photo mode, so let's go to more options. We can do it by tapping on this button in the right corner here, and as you can see it gives us access to other options, and for now we are interested in this button from the left. By tapping on this we get access to advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to these camera settings here, and at the last position we have the function with picture quality, so by tapping on this we can change it, and we can pick low, we can pick also the standard and the high. So of course I suggest you to keep it on the high because this is the best one here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.